In today's time, waiting isn't an option for most. We like to get things quick and fast. You order groceries online and want it delivered in minutes. But somehow we all wait for years for our insurance plans to give us returns. Hold on to your seats because we are about to unveil a financial game changer. Picture this: immediate income right when you need it the most, all in one incredible plan with Aegis Federal Life Insurance Super Cash Plan. You are the architect of your financial destiny. Choose the premium, the term, and your investment horizon. Now watch your money grow like a robust tree as you get immediate guaranteed income. That's not all. When cash bonuses roll in, your returns get even bigger and better. And at policy maturity, claim any declared terminal bonuses and a lump sum to supercharge your savings goals. But wait, there is more. Every 5 years, we have got a surprise for you. Guaranteed additions like a cherry on your cake. Additionally, with Aegis Federal Life Insurance Super Cash Plan, you're securing your future with life cover throughout the policy term. Don't miss out on this epic financial opportunity. Contact us today and choose immediate income, choose growth, choose the Aegis Federal Life Insurance Super Cash Plan.